Everybody, my name is EJ and welcome to the party. So today, I'm going to be erupting this volcano right here. And yeah, really excited. Hopefully we can do that. So as planned, I will be making a video every day in May this month. Except for yesterday, May 1st, because I just completely forgot to. But yeah, so I'll be working on that. Whoa. So yeah. But without further ado, let's get to the volcano. All right, go ahead. Back up, everybody. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. More. Oh, dude, that's awesome.
It's a volcano. Lava. It's lava.
It was kind of a failure, but I mean, it's overall pretty cool, right?
It's actually hot.
Probably not.
It's kind of cold. It's freezing cold.
Don't touch it. It's citric acid. It'll murder you.
Whoa,
I'm kidding.
right there.
I'm kidding. It won't hurt you.
Probably from the cardboard.
Well, I don't think it'll hurt you.
Or right here.
Yeah, it's probably the same.
That's pretty awesome. All right, so that's the aftermath of it.
Oh, that was cool.
Yeah. We should do like just baking soda now. Baking soda and vinegar.
Yeah. Wait, don't.
Just go
Get
get a tab. Yeah, go get some vinegar. All right, we'll be right back with some vinegar. Finish that off.
You can, like,
Go.
in that
Do it. I started filming again.
Wait, huh?
No, I can't. Just do it. Just. All right. This is gonna be awesome.
We got some of that acid stuff mixed with vinegar. We're gonna squirt it out.
All right, go. Oh, that's awesome. It's all coming out through the side. Here, pour some on top. Just pour some on top. Oh, yeah, man. I've actually never, like, really played with this. I've never really done baking soda and vinegar before. Yeah! Woo!
Like destroyed the sand.
Yeah.
Is there anything else that we could use?
Oh, that's
Or a tad more vinegar, see if there's anything else. Just like a tiny bit.
Oh.
Oh, gosh. Ooh, car. Ew, you just made me spit on my leg.
there's like a lot.
Don't dump too much vinegar. Here, like one more dump. Dump. Here, just put a tad more in this bottle and let me squeeze some.
That sound is
Here,
destroyed.
you film. Make sure it's getting the volcano. All right. Oh, okay. Here.
Wait, is it paused?
No, just keep filming. Come on, man.
Okay.
All right.
So
Just do
yeah,
inside.
Aiden's gonna dump some. Wow, this thing is awesome.
Yeah.
But sand is getting destroyed.
Should I go get some more
So-
baking soda?
No, it's good. All right. Woo.
The sand is destroyed.
Aftermath of it all here. Ugh.
Wait, can I feel-
Okay. All right. Well, I know that was a different video for sure, but it's fun. So, yeah, I'll try making videos once a day, one video a day, this whole month, at least. Maybe I can just get on that schedule permanently. I don't know. So So we'll be doing all sorts of different stuff because May is going to be a crazy month. So yeah, like family's going to Europe, so I'll be somewhere else with people for a little bit. So yeah. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is DJ. Thanks for coming to the party. Let's take one more look at this volcano real quick for you. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so much for watching. And I will see you guys later.